What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, today we are looking at this simple little IP camera. It's a smart wireless IP camera. And why am I showing you this? Because as most of you know, I'm going away to Burger Wars any day now. I'm leaving. And my son will be home alone and he will be having a friend stay with him. And not that I don't trust my son, not that I don't trust my son's friend. I trust them both immensely. But, you know, it's kind of nice to always have an eye on the house. And this camera here has a plug and play. It's Wi-Fi and it's a pan tilt and a two-way communication. So I can talk to my son while I'm on the road in the middle of Alabama cruising around. I can see what's going on in my house with this camera right here. It should hook up to the internet just fine. So let's take a look inside and see what's up. Okay, let's take a quick peek inside. These are all the items that come. You have a little booklet written in, looks like it's written in Chinese, but I look over here, I flip it over, and it's got English on that side. So I'll be able to read how to set that up. We also have 2 screws and it's for mounting the camera. Does the camera mount on the back or underneath? Not sure how that works. Looks like it just stands right there. But anyway, you probably can mount it. I'm guessing that's why they gave you the screws, and then you just put it up that way. Mine's gonna sit on a counter on a shelf, and then you got your power cord and you got your plug, and that's all that comes in the box. Okay, I'm reading inside here, and it does have cloud storage, high definition recording. It is iOS and Android supported. 2-way audio. What else I got here? Video streaming and pan and tilt motion detection. So, oh, and there's card storage too. Cool. Okay, first thing it says to do in this book is to download the app. So I'm going to scan this QR code, download the app, and get this thing on my phone so I can run it. All right, first thing I'm going to do is scan the QR code, view an app store. Thank you. Camera on my iPhone. I want to get this app right here. I don't know what it's doing. It's turning on its own, doing some weird stuff.
Please configure your camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
Okay. I'm going to get the scanning code. Okay, we're going to log in real quick. There we go. Privacy, I'm going to agree. And we are good to go. Device. I guess I got to add a device. Okay. Device. No. Oh, I got a plus sign. Sorry. Add a device. Yes. Intelligent camera. Smart. I don't know what that is. A smart annunciator? Let's do intelligent camera. Okay, you can see my whole house right here. I can move the camera around side to side and go over to what's the dining room. Side to side. Go over to the windows, come down a little bit. There we go. I can see everything. Like there's my booklet. There's me. There's Jesus. Hey Jesus, what's up? So I want to set this up so I can see anytime I want while I'm gone. I can see everything. Awesome. And that's it. So, and I can hear too, but I'm not going to turn it up because it'll feed back through this recording. Okay, and you can see it follows me. It's kind of a smart camera. Come over here. Come over here. Yeah, the camera follows me wherever I go. It's looking for me. That's pretty cool. Okay, guys, so the scoop is I'm leaving like Thursday, and Jack and his friend will be here on their own, and they'll be in and out. They'll be busy because they work also. So I'll let you know how it goes. I'll be peeking in, checking on them, make sure they're safe. Nobody breaks in while I'm gone. I got cameras around the outside of the house. I got cameras on the inside of the house now. I feel pretty protected. Plus, we have an alarm system. So it's all good. So we'll let you know how the camera works on the road, and we'll test it out a few times, and we'll show you what it looks like, all right? You guys take care. Hey guys, haven't left for Burger Wars yet, but you know what? I'm sitting here. I turned off the camera on my app, and I'm sitting here, and I'm looking at the camera right now. It's looking around. It's scoping everywhere. I don't know why, but it's just scanning my whole room. So I know this sounds crazy. I'm not a prepper. I don't freak out, think the government's listening to me. I don't care if the government listens. I got nothing to hide. But the fact that that camera's moving around, I'm thinking, whoever in China is watching me right now. So this sounds really ridiculous, but I'm going to disconnect the camera and destroy it. I'm not leaving it in my house because it could be tracked. I have no idea. I don't trust this. This did come from a Chinese company overseas, so I don't trust it. Only for the fact that I turned the camera off and it's still scanning my room right now. So this thing's got to go. I don't recommend this to anybody, but it was a cool video while it lasted, huh? Okay, so I just got spooked. How crazy is that, huh? I'm so ashamed. Anyway, I just don't want anybody snooping in on my business. So I trust these boys, and I'm just going to unplug it right now. I'm going to go over there and unplug it and smash it and put it in a drawer or something, or put it in the trash. Probably throw it in the trash. But anyway, that's just freaky that I turned the camera off and it's still looking around right now. I didn't want to know who's watching.